Hello, it's Rachel and welcome to day 6 of my Christmas card series. I'm starting my project today using a stamp by Hero Arts called Santa's Boots. I'm stamping this onto some gold dust cardstock using VersaFine ink, and then I'm going to emboss it using some black embossing powder. For the background on my card, I've decided to use another piece of the white gold dust card and put it through an embossing folder with a holly design. Once I've done this, I edge both the focal image of Santa's boots and also the embossed piece with some archival ink in jet black. Next, I'm taking some glitter and some glue by Art Institute. This glue dries clear, and the glitter I've selected is a transparent glitter called Crystal. I'm adding this to the fur trim on Santa's boots, and I also decide to add it around the border of the focal image as well as the embossed background piece. To add some colour to the card, I've selected a Stardream card called Mars. This has a shimmer to it, and I'm assembling the pieces using some double-sided tape. As usual, I'm creating a matching insert for the card. For this, I've chosen a Spellbinders Labels die, and I'm sponging around the edges using archival ink in Geranium. This is the closest red that I had matching the front of the card, so that's why I chose it. Then I'm going to stamp a sentiment using a paper tray ink stamp. This is from the Signature Christmas set that I've used quite frequently in this series, and I also add some speckles using a Stampin' Up stamp in archival jet black on some of the corners. And now I'm ready to put my card together. I've chosen a heavyweight cardstock cut into a 4x4 square, and I'm assembling my pieces using some double-sided tape. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed it and it's given you ideas for your own cards. There is just one more day left of this series, so I hope you can join me again tomorrow for day 7. If you would like a full product list, you're going to find that in the video description, and also links to my social media.